Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the workbook into page layout so you see printable boundaries. This prevents surprises later. Once done, open Insert Header and Footer and click the center or right section where you want the page number. Choose the format now, page X of Y if readers need totals, or X only for simple numbering. Make sure to preview because header/footer zones behave differently than cell content. This saves time when you print multiple sheets. You click Header and Footer tools and select page number, then add number of pages if you want totals. For clarity, type page space before and page and of space before and pages. That constructs page X of Y automatically. Make sure to format the font and size so numbers don't collide with margins. Alignment matters for duplex printing. If different sections need different numbering, insert section breaks and set distinct header/footer options for each section. You can change the starting page number by opening Page Setup, Page tab, and entering the first page number so numbering begins where you want. Once done, use section breaks if parts of the workbook require different schemes. Link or unlink headers to control continuity. If numbering looks wrong, check Print Preview and examine each section's header for residual text. Removing conflicting headers or resetting first page number usually fixes it, ensuring consistent printed output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.